Hello, my future ISI toppers. Today's question is from the legendary ISI JRF, that is the Indian Statistical Institute examination, where the questions don't test your memory, they test your relationship with mathematics. So, ISI questions are famous for like mixing the geometry, calculus, and logic, looking simple but hiding a deep thinking, and most importantly, punishing overconfidence. Okay, so today's problem is one such simple looking problem. So come to the question. Question says, find the area enclosed by the curves y equal to cos x, y equal to x plus 1 and x axis. Okay, this is a very nice question. Now, the first rule of the survival in the area problem is don't integrate blindly. Draw the situation mentally first. Okay, so let's understand the three curves. First, y equal to cos x, that is the wavy curve. Second is y equal to x plus 1, that is the straight line. And third is the x-axis, that is our ground level. Okay, now whenever you see the three curves, your brain should say region is going to be piecewise. Okay, now we need the boundaries. Now let's talk about the intersection 1. Line and x-axis. Okay, so x plus 1 is 0, so x equal to minus 1, and now the intersection 2, that is the cos curve and the x-axis. So cos x is what? 0. So x will be pi by 2. Now the intersection 3. That is the line and the cos curve. So cos x is what? X plus 1. Now try x equal to 0. So cos 0 is what? 1, and x plus 1 is 1. So intersection at x equal to 0. Okay. Now the region is split into two parts. Okay. From x equal to minus 1 to x equal to 0, and from x equal to 0 to x equal to pi by 2. Right? Now ISI loves this trick. Change of the upper function inside the interval. Okay? Now for the region 1, x equal to minus 1 to x equal to 0. Okay? Upper curve is y equal to x plus 1, and the lower curve x-axis. Right? So area 1 is what? Area 1 is integration minus 1 to 0 x plus 1 dx. Right? So let's compute this. So we get x square by 2 plus x 0 minus 1 to 0. So at 0, this is 0, and at minus 1, this is 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus of 1 by 2. So area 1 is what? 0 minus minus 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now the region 2, that is x equal to 0 to x equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now the upper curve is what? Y equal to cos x, and the lower one x axis, right? So area 2 is what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. So let's simplify this. This will be sin x 0 to pi by 2. So this is 1 minus 0, that is 1. Okay. Now the total area is half plus 1, that is 3 by 2. Okay. So whenever the region touches the x-axis, the area is the integration of top function minus 0. Simple. Now some common mistakes students often do. Okay. Not splitting in the interval first. Second, like assuming the same upper function everywhere and forgetting to check the intersection points. So you will not do this in the examination. Okay. Now this problem tests the function comparison, the geometry of curves and the piecewise integration. So this is not just integration, this is graph intelligence, you can say. Okay. So today we learned cosine is not always on top. Straight lines can defeat the curves, and ISI questions look innocent but they are emotionally dangerous. So the final answer for this question is 3 by 2. Okay. So we will attack another ISI question and try to survive again in the next class. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye-bye.